On this page, you've come across something that may seem out of reach. I assure you, it's not. As far as I'm concerned, it's the best way to go if you really want to leverage your time, grow your business, and enjoy a happy personal life at the same time. What really gets me, though, is that most people haven't even heard of it yet. And while some would argue, they may even say that it's not for the regular guy or gal, I say it's the best thing I've seen, especially for regular people like us. Why? Well, first, you're solving a problem that requires no convincing or selling on your part. See, there's one area business owners have never been able to get used to, and it's a pain point that can easily be fixed in about 15 minutes. And an individual like you, if you have some accurate direction, some good guidance, you can be the one who fixes this for local businesses. I understand that juggling a full-time job while trying to navigate life can be overwhelming. That's why this is in front of you right now. It requires no trial or error and no personal investment and no advanced skills. Imagine a service that allows you to ethically steal the strategies that successful businesses have used to generate good results, incredible results already. You will offer a cloning service that takes what's already working and makes it even better for your clients. It's like plugging a single hole in their ad campaigns, and magically, all the other issues get resolved too. This 15-minute fix will be the key to steady client acquisition, faster payouts, and more time to spend with your loved ones. Imagine the freedom of working when you want, of breaking free from the chains of your regular job. With just 5 to 10 clients, you can replace a normal income and enjoy a lifestyle you've always dreamed of. My mission is to make your journey as a local consultant easier and more rewarding. You'll be guided on the straightest, fastest path to providing a bona fide service that fills a crucial gap for your future clients. And by doing so, you'll establish yourself as a top local consultant, commanding handsome fees in the form of recurring income. And the best part, the service requires hardly any skills and has a next to nothing learning curve. We'll start by targeting business owners and professionals who are paying big bucks on Google Ads. We all know that the Achilles heels of many business owners is the cost of running those ads. They're sky high. Imagine approaching a business owner and offering them a solution that produces the same or more traffic, more clicks, leads, and sales for 50% less money and no extra work on their part. Who wouldn't want that? But here's what I like most. It's as easy as it sounds. You don't need any tech skills or years of experience. Taking clients away from Google is the low-hanging fruit in disguise. How do I know this? Well, business owners feel the pain when they see the advertising costs on their P&L statements, don't they? By offering them a superior service with this new hack, you become their go-to consultant. And you can do it even if you lack the tech or marketing skills, even if you're brand new, and even if you work a regular job. Here's how it's done. Find business owners currently paying for ads on Google and use our proven method to reach out to them. They're hot prospects, and we'll show you how to find them effortlessly. Next, reel them in with a compelling 2-minute foot-in-the-door offer that showcases your value. Then, give them an offer they can't resist using a simple hack that many consultants have no clue exists. And the offer is simply this. You'll clone your prospect's already successful Google ad campaign onto another platform that delivers similar or better results for a fraction of the cost. It's as easy as a few clicks of the mouse. Oh, and we can't forget our last step. Go ahead and collect your handsome fees. You'll earn an upfront setup fee and a monthly management fee. And remember, just a handful of clients can replace a normal income and set you free from a job that you may hate right now. Can you imagine a more straightforward and lucrative ad service to offer local business owners and professionals? I didn't think so. You're on the right path to success, and we're here to support you every step of the way. I've even bundled together an all-inclusive training program that ensures you can start right away with over-the-shoulder videos, a comprehensive 40-page PDF training guide, and much, much more. You'll have everything you need to carry out the service and start your path to remarkable results and the freedom you want from life. All right, I'm so excited just telling you about this, but the information below is far more detailed, and that way you'll be able to make a good decision. So check it all out now. See for yourself why businesses need this and you so badly. Remember that I'm here to support you, and I'll see you on the inside.